Hi, my name is Janice Auerbach and I'm here from Page A Day Math, and I'm going to talk to you today about flashcards. So flashcards are really a great way to teach your children math facts. I use them all the time. What I do is I take the flashcards and I have the child sitting next to me and I have them provide me with an answer of the flashcard. And I make a pile of the ones that they know really well, and I make another pile of the ones that they're not so sure about. And what's great about flashcards is that you can just take the ones that they're not so sure about and go over those. And if there's a lot of them, you can just take a few, maybe like 2 or 3 each day, and go over them starting with the facts that are lower, like the zeros or ones or the twos. And as you're going over 2 or 3 a day, make sure that you always go over the flashcards that they knew very well so they stay fresh and that they don't forget them. So you can buy flashcards. These are trend flashcards. You can make flashcards with 3x5 cards. So I have some 3x5 cards here. We just write the answer on one side, or the question on one side and the answer on the other side. So that's really easy to do. You could just take some paper and cut it up into squares and make flashcards with that. Or you can also download them. So we have some flashcards on our website. They're color-coded. Every number is associated with a color, which makes them a lot of fun to do. So this is what they look like with our characters. 1 equals green. So if you were working on ones, you could ask your child to take out all the flashcards that have this color green stripe, and that way you would know that they are working on the right cards. So all you have to do is you cut along the dotted line, cut with a scissor along here, or use a paper cutter, and then you get your flashcard strip. You'd fold it in half. Okay, and then if you have some tape or some glue, you can use some tape and you just close it shut so you have now a nice flashcard. I printed these on cardstock, so they're a little bit heavier, which is nice. They'll last a little bit longer and look nicer for a longer time. But you have the question on one side and then the answer on the other side. And then once you're done with making them, it would take about 10 minutes to make all of these, to cut them and tape them, fold them over. You can just keep your flashcards in a nice little box just to keep them together and organized. You can take them in the car. So I recommend doing them maybe a few times a day. Go over the new ones and go over the ones that your child already knows so that they stay fresh. And that's it. Have fun with it, and have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.